Hi everyone, my name is Colton Brown, and I'm here to talk about my virtues that I had today. Um, the main virtue that I chose was self-regulation, and basically what it is regulating what one feels and what one does, staying disciplined to yourself, and just being able to control your emotions basically and continue on. So the other two virtues I had were humility and humor. Humility is letting one's accomplishment speak for itself. Um, Basically, you do something, you don't run out and tell everybody about it. You just kind of be happy for yourself, but don't brag about it. And then humor is, everybody knows what humor is. It's not necessarily making jokes, but bringing funny into the situation, bringing lighthearted into the situation, so everything's not always so serious. For self-regulation, there's three different types of self-regulation. You have behavioral, personal, or environmental self-regulation. I wasn't really surprised by any of these virtues. I use almost all three of them every day, whether it be to make a joke, or to continue working on school or going to work. I will continue to use self-regulation. By using self-regulation, it helps me accomplish my goals in class, and it helps me balance between life, school, and work. Basically, I can keep everything going still. And in the future, a way I'll use self-regulation is staying more disciplined on volunteering for the DNR. I do volunteer, but sometimes, life gets away from you, you can't do it. And I think by using self-regulation, I'll be able to continue my volunteer work with them. Some accolades from the book that have to do with self-regulation would be high self-esteem, high levels of satisfaction in social relationships, and being perceived by others as likable and or trustworthy. So basically, that's my presentation. Thank you.